So the simulation is done for us, as you can see. So now it's all about setting up your render layers and just hitting a batch render. So what I'm gonna do is, let's do a control A and come on, we're gonna go over here and just create layers, create an empty layer which would be one will have the skull, the scene, and sorry, skull, directional light, except fume effects. So add selected object and we'll name this as skull underscore gr. Okay, so we'll take another, create another empty layer in which we're gonna write fire gr. Yes, and we'll take fume effects, we'll take everything, I think so, we'll take everything, object source as well, and add selected object. So let us go over here and why did I have separated those both of them. The actual reason is that I want to do separate comp for this and separate comp for fire, so I just need to separate both of them. Okay, so let us just disable this for now and we'll go in render settings. I don't know what happened to this. Yes, okay, we need to work on passes, so we'll go on passes, create a new render layer. So what do we need? We need beauty, which must be without reflection, and this, so we'll take that as well. Though it's better that you take as much as possible diffuse material, and direct radiance without shadow, definitely indirect lighting, object normal, refraction, definitely opacity, not raw shadow, specular, UV pass, world position, and just let me check. Did I miss something else? Coverage is there, color depth is there. Yes, light volume is there, normal is there, object shadow is there. Yes, we'll create this and we'll add those so that next time when we just click on render. So we have our passes loaded over here, as we can see. This is beauty, layers, diffuse, raw, direct irradiance, which can be used as embed occlusion, and indirect lighting. This is normal for us. It's quite bright still. Reflection is not there. Reflection, I don't know why did I pick that. It's not there actually. There is shadow. Yes, shadow is there, and we'll check shadow raw as well. Both are same only. Specular is there, which is okay. See color, which is needed. Okay, and UV pass, definitely we need this, and world position. So we have got everything which we need over here, and now we can go with fire. So we just need to cross check everything, that name dot extension gr depth channel. Yes, we need depth channel from this camera, so we have clicked on that, and cool. We'll go in fire, and what we need to do first thing is that go to hypershade. Yeah, I need a surface shader, which is this, and graph network, so that everything is clear. I'll just apply this to the both of them. I'll tell you why. Just a second. So now you can see we are getting fire with our surface shader, which is applied on our object. If we don't have this now, then it would be really difficult for us to merge both of them, because I'll just put a copy. We can go on hypershade again, and just apply the material which was there previously. Okay, so now that if we don't need this material, we don't want this to get render, we just want fire, then what I need to do is I need to remove this from here, remove selected object, then I have to hit render. So now I have this and this. So you can see that the back portion of the fire is not visible in a previous render. So when we going to comp this, like if we don't have applied surface shader to the object, then if we're going to comp it, we are going to the back region of the neck and the skull would be visible for us, and it's really hard because mental ray doesn't support deep rendering, so it's just in our Arnold, so we need that. So in order to do that, to avoid that, if we don't have deep data, we do in this way. Okay, so let us just add them back. Yes, yeah. So we'll just check, because I don't think so we need something passes from fire, really I don't think so we need it. Then also I'll just add something, and world position, that this both. Okay, so which would be okay, and we'll create another layer which would be for matte, and I'm just going to add both of them in a scene, definitely, for camera, and we'll go in hypershade, surface shader, graph network. Then I'm just going to select an object like this, apply, and give it like green texture, and take another surface shader, assign material, then same thing, I'll pick red, which would be much better. So now we have separate mat for both of them, and it would be really easy to render this out. So we have separate mat so that we can treat them separately. And so now we have three layers of comp, which is this three layers. So what else we need to do is just a simple thing right now, just cross check everything. You have beauty and everything, that any pass is remaining, as camera depth is remaining, create and close. We need depth, coverage, material normal. We have taken matte in different layers, so it's okay. And motion vector if needed. Yes, we can take this motion vector. Even in fire we'll do the same. We'll take motion vector. So now just one thing we need to do, control save and hit on batch render, going in rendering, and just we need to hit on batch render and we have to wait, nothing else. So in the next lesson would be it's all about comping, and we'll try to do like the most of the stuff in the comp itself. It's really important to learn the nuke in a very good manner, so you should have better understanding of nuke. And I hope you guys like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. Thank you guys.